Yes, good morning, second class children. So be ready for the textbook reading practice. Take down the page number 78. Open your textbook. Yes, what is the page number? 78. Lesson number 10. Name of the lesson is Water Around Us. Okay. So if you don't have textbook, not to worry. Listen to my class. You say along with your teacher. Okay. Come on, say, hooray, it's raining. Come on, how to say? Hooray, it's raining. Okay. See, look at here, this child was saying, what he was saying, he was enjoying in the rain, isn't it? So, while enjoying, how do you shout? Hooray. Okay. The next one, let me start the lesson. About what is the name of the lesson? Yes, we are going to learn about entirely about what? Water, or how it is used, what are the uses of the water. Okay, so from where do we get water, sources of water, all such things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, so like water is also very essential in our human life. చాలా వాటర్ కూడా మనకి ఎంత ఫుడ్ అవసరమో అంత వాటర్ కూడా మనకి అవసరం కదా. సో మనం ఈ లెసన్ కూడా మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. నా వీ గెట్ రెడీ ఫర్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ రీడింగ్. కమ్ ఆన్ సే ఆల్, ALL, all living things need water to live. All animals drink water and all plants get water from the ground through their roots. Look at here. So all the animals, they need water to drink and plants get water through their roots. Plants, where do they get water? Through their roots. See, look at here. This is the roots. Okay, these are the what? Roots. So plants, ఇక్కడ నుంచి వస్తున్న ప్లాంట్స్కి నీళ్ళు ఎలా అందుకుంటుంది ప్లాంట్స్? రూట్ నుంచి. ఓకే, నౌ లుక్ అట్ హియర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పిక్చర్? బాతింగ్ అండ్ క్లీనింగ్. Next one, look at this picture. Washing clothes. She is washing the clothes. Okay, next one, cooking and washing food items. Yes, look at here. What they are doing? Cooking and washing the food items. Next, drinking. And here, watering the plants. They are giving the water where? They are pouring the water to plants. Mopping the floor. These are the activities. Spell the word of activities. ACTIVITIES. Activities for which we use water in our lives. Okay, so we had done the matching also. Next one, turn the page. When it rains, the rainwater gathers. Spell the word of gathers. GATHERS. Gathers at various. Spell the word of various. VARIOUS. Various places. 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 Rainwater fills up the rivers, ponds, lakes, streams and puddles. This is called surface water. Okay, next one, what is the first picture? River, stream, lake, pond. Look at here. Some rainwater goes into the ground. This is called groundwater. Spell the word of ground. 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 WATER. Groundwater. We get groundwater from the following sources. Spell the word of sources. 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 Next one, next page. Spring. SPRING. Spring is also a source of water. In some places where underground water comes to the surface. Natural springs are found. Natural spelling natural. Natural springs are found. Do you know from where we get drinking water? Next one. In our homes, we get water from taps. This water comes from various. Spell the word of various. See the word again they had used. various. Various sources. Surface water like rivers or groundwater. The water that comes from ponds, lakes or wells may not always be clean. It has germs. Spell the word of germs. germs. Germs, dust and dirt. In it, we must boil or filter such unclean water before drinking it. Keep the water in closed utensils. See what happened to Reena. I drank water from the well. I am feeling sick. I will see the doctor. Who is she? Reena. So which type, what she drank? She drank well water directly. She fell sick. Okay. Now she is going to doctor. She didn't drink filter water. But which water she drank? Yes, directly from the well. Without filtering the water, she drank that water. Now she fell sick. Okay. Look at here, this child drinking filter water. This child is drinking filter water. The next one, water kept in closed utensil. This is water filter. Okay, what is this? Water filter. We lose a lot of water in the form of sweat and urine. We should make up for this loss by drinking lots of water every day. Okay, now turn the page. Now what is the next page? Yes, look at here. Here are some sources of water. Write down their names: lakes, ponds, rivers, well. The next one is save. Now save every drop of water. It is precious. Now you have to save each and every drop of water is very, very precious. You have to save the water. Don't waste any water. Rainwater can be collected and stored in tanks, utensils, buckets, bottles, drums, mugs and jugs. Okay, so the next one, close the tap immediately after use. Spell the word of immediately. immediately. Okay, so let me close this lesson. Now we will start the tomorrow class. We'll continue with the next class, children. Okay, thank you.